Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap point. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Quincio. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the replacement process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop ideal. There are typically DS screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once all the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. After that, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws, so keep track of them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. At this point, if you don't have a replacement battery on hand, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you determine the best battery option for your needs. Next, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Now, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. If you find the process challenging, or if you prefer not to handle it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced. Finally, once all screws are in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working smoothly. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Quincio. If you need further assistance, remember we provided a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Enjoy your refreshed laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.